Hello everyone, my name is Shilpa and today we are going to discuss about the topic reproduction in plants and animals in this video. What is reproduction basically? So reproduction is the production of offsprings, yes, from their parents, and that is called reproduction. Now the one common question that comes to our mind is, why do we need to define, why do we need to study, what is the importance of reproduction? So as we all know, the reproduction gives us the genetic variability, yes, and it provides genetic variability in the ecosystem. Also, every organism needs to reproduce, and then only they can continue their lineage in the environment. Okay, now let's see what are the types of reproduction. So there are two types of reproduction, as we all know. The one is the sexual reproduction and the other is the asexual reproduction. So what is asexual reproduction? When only one parent is involved, then it is called the asexual reproduction. And in asexual reproduction, there is no involvement of meiosis. Yes. And what occurs in the sexual reproduction? In sexual reproduction, both the parents are involved. When we say both the parents, that means a male gamete and a female gamete. Both are involved in it, and meiosis does occurs in sexual reproduction. Now let us see the types of asexual reproduction. We'll see everything in brief here only. So asexual reproduction can be of 5 types generally, and we can say it can be budding, it can be fragmentation, it can be vegetative reproduction, yes, it can be binary fission. Fission can be of 2 types, that is binary fission and multiple fission. Now let's see from fission. What happens in fission is there is a mother nuclei, main nuclei, and that breaks into two daughter cells, yes, and then both of the cells continue to have their own life. Where can we see binary fission? A very common example is amoeba. Now let us see fragmentation. Fragmentation is very commonly seen in, I think we all have seen Spirogyra. It is a filamentous kind of algae. Every fragment of it reproduces a new organism on its own. Now let us see budding. Budding can be of 2 types. Budding is generally seen in unicellular, that is in yeast. Yes, yeast is a fungi and it is unicellular. So what happens in budding in yeast is, it do not have, from the end of it, a bud grows from the end, not from the center. A bud grows and then the nucleus of it elongates. Yes, the